Creating your custom neon letters and numbers is now easier than ever with NeonChamp. Start by choosing your sign type, including custom neon letters and numbers or Flomo signs. Next, upload your logo, artwork, text design, or inspiration image. Add any special instructions to help us bring your vision to life. Choose from a wide range of vibrant neon colors to match your space. Select the perfect size using preset dimensions or enter a custom size. Customize the acrylic backboard style that best fits your design. Choose the correct power adapter for your country or region. Add wall mounting, hanging kits, remote dimmers, or waterproof upgrades. Review your selections, add to cart, and let NeonChamp create your custom masterpiece.